To start, we will be going over synapsis, which is the fusion of homologous chromosomes during meiosis. We will be using Korra, who's on the left, and Asami, who's on the right from Legend of Korra. However, you do not need any background on Legend of Korra to follow. And for our video, Korra and Asami are 30 sometime in the future, and they're settling down with their respective partners, and they're both going in to get tested in order to check for any chromosomal aberrations that could potentially inhibit their kids from being fully healthy and functioning members of society. Here we see Korra's results came back first, and this is a representation of her affected chromosomes. So the dot represents the centromere, and the letters represent different areas of the chromosome. If I flipped the top chromosomes so that the regions at the front and the back of the chromosomes would be lined up. This way I can easily examine if the two chromosomes are different and where they diverge. As you can see, Korra doesn't have any chromosomal aberrations that would inhibit her ability to produce viable gametes, as the chromosomes are identical. And another thing, both chromosomes are in alphabetical order, except for the middle region of both chromosomes, which consists of KJI instead of IJK, which means that this middle region was flipped. Still, it doesn't make a significant difference, as again, the chromosomes are identical. Here it is worked out with the chromosomes, and as you can see, this crossing over event occurs between the K and J region, and it produces 4 viable gametes. And now we examine Asami's chromosomes, as her test results just came back as well. This time, as you can see, I flipped the bottom chromosome to line up the regions at the front and back of the chromosomes. We now see that the middle section that is circled in red has been flipped 180 degrees. This is clearly a chromosomal aberration, as the two chromosomes are not identical, and it is an inversion as the middle region of the bottom chromosome is an inverted version of the top chromosome. The two types of inversion are paracentric and pericentric. Paracentric is when the inverted region does not contain the centromere, and pericentric is when the inverted region does contain the centromere. So this is clearly pericentric inversion. During pericentric inversion, the chromosomes have to form an inversion loop. The top strand in red, if you followed along the loop, is simply GHI, centromere, JKLM. Now, if you follow the strand in green, you get GHI, centromere, JKHG. Then, as we keep going, if you follow the strand in black, you get GHKJ, centromere, ILM. And then lastly, if we follow the last strand in blue, we get MLKJ, centromere, ILM. The green and blue gametes are not viable because they are missing some genetic material. And the red and black gametes are viable because they have all the genetic material as they flow all the way through. So in review, Asami should be careful about having kids because there's a 50% chance of a chromosomal aberration, while Korra has no need to worry as there is no chance for her.